first and foremost, what a firm should be looking for in a customer experience management, there's really at least 6 things that come to mind for me that are important. And these are in no particular order of priority, but they're all important. Number one is what you want to be able to do at a company, whether it's a bank or any vertical, right, is you want to be able to impact the customer experience in the moment as they're interacting with your company, not later on by surveying them and getting their feedback and then trying to change a process. That takes too long. So this idea of being able to deliver and impact the great customer experience in the moment versus later is really important. That's number one. Number two, this idea of creating holistic customer journeys that extend across your lines of business, across products, and across third parties, so that you have these great seamless customer experiences from the buying journeys to application onboarding, activation journeys, and ongoing servicing journeys. So these holistic journeys, being able to build them and manage them is really important versus today, what most companies are doing is they manage individual touch points. There's inbound calls, or there's inbound emails, or there's moments that they're interacting with clients, but that's not really built into a holistic journey management process. That's the second point. The third point I'd make is the idea of being able to see your customer holistically and have visibility to a customer 360 degrees. And that's about connectivity. So it's finding a CXM platform that has the ability to connect your data systems, so your CRM systems, your ticketing systems, third-party technology companies and providers, being able to take the data from those different points and connect them so that you get a unified view of your customer across these disconnected ecosystems. That's the third thing that a CXM engine platform needs to do. The fourth is that it really needs to be dynamic, not static. What I mean by that is platforms today like Salesforce, Dynamics, HubSpot, ServiceNow, homegrown systems, they're all hard-coded systems. And in order to make changes to those platforms, you have to go to a development team, get on a list, and they'll put you on a roadmap to get those changes done that can often take months or longer and are very expensive. A dynamic system is different. It's low code, no code, so that you can make changes to the software very quickly, and that really anybody in the organization, you don't have to be on a dev team to make those changes. So that's the fourth thing. Really important is dynamic, low code, no code versus static, hard coded, heavy administrative systems. The fifth point I'd make is that you really want to be able to have insights into what's happening with your customers now, so that you get intelligent insights in real time versus the idea of reactive knowledge fetching that you have to go and do. Meaning, I've got to go and talk to my customers and talk to my teams about what's going on so that I understand and then I can fix it. So this idea of intelligent real-time insights versus reactive knowledge fetching is the other thing that a CXM platform must do. And then finally, I'd say it's critical that the CXM platform has to be able to extend into and through your existing tech stacks with no re-architecture versus having to re-architect your systems. And the nice thing about a CXM platform that can do that is it reduces spend significantly for your technology teams, so that you can spend less, you can spend on SaaS, but you're putting in technology that actually connects to your CRMs, connects to your ticketing systems, connects to your other technology without having to re-architect that. So really, for all of those reasons, 6 reasons, it's important that you look for those things when you're looking at a CXM engine platform. And then finally, I'd say it's all about outcomes. Inevitably, the CXM platform that you're working with has to be able to show you through existing client implementations that you've been able to reduce operating expense, increase revenue, increase retention, and increase customer satisfaction. Because inevitably, those 6 things are important, but if they don't produce the outcomes that you need, then you're not getting what you need. So I think looking for those capabilities, but then also making sure that the platform can deliver the outcomes that the organization wants.